18, here we go. White lips, pale face, breathing in snowflakes, burnt lungs, sour taste. Lights gone, days in, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange men. And they say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream, been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. They scream the worst thing in life's goes free to us, cause we're all just under the upper hand. Go mad for a couple minutes. She don't wanna go outside tonight, and in the pipe she flies to the motherland, sells love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly. Ripped gloves, raincoat, try to swim and stay afloat, dry house, wet clothes. Loose change, big nose, weary eye, dry throat, don't call girl, no flow. They say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream, been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream the worst thing in life's come free to us, cause we're all just under the upper hand. Go mad for a couple grams. She don't wanna go outside tonight, and in the pipe she flies to the motherland, sells love to another man. It's so cold outside for angels to fly. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.